Hey friends, so today I'll be taking you to one of the best cycle tours in India at Statue of Unity. Well, the Statue of Unity in India has a cycle track which is very well built and maintained. Also, there are many scenic viewpoints and interesting points on the way in the cycle tour which I'll be discussing further in the video. Well, I must say, whether you are a cycle enthusiast or no, this cycle tour is worth a visit in Statue of Unity. So now let me take you to the several different viewpoints which I visited during the cycle tour. Well, the first one was Dino Trail. This was quite interesting. It was just on the way on the cycle tour. There were several artificial dinosaurs here. This is also a good attraction for kids. Well, during my visit, there were no private cars allowed in the route towards the cycle tour. Scenic viewpoints on the cycle tour. So you can check out this beautiful river view from this viewpoint. Amazing, isn't it? The mountains, lush greenery besides the river is a beautiful view to watch. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more such updates. Your subscribing the video keeps me motivated to make more such videos and interesting informative vlogs for you. So this is the cycle track. You can have a look. It is such a well built cycle track and the roads are really smooth to enjoy a beautiful cycle ride here. There are also several points built to keep your cycle aside and rest for a while. There are these seating arrangements here to have some rest on the way. Nauka Vihar is the next point we visited here on our cycle tour. So basically you can have a boat ride here from this point. We also had a look at aerodrome from outside. So the seaplane landing and takes off from this place. Tent City Narmada is the next viewpoint. You can have a look at the beautiful Tent City Narmada here from this viewpoint. Well, you can check out more details about this Tent City Narmada as a stay option in my website travelclever.co.in. You will also find a detailed trip plan on my website travelclever.co.in. Do check out the website as it will be very helpful for your visit to Statue of Unity. The tent city here is very beautiful and you can opt for a stay or if you want to live and experience your stay amid nature. Again, these are some viewpoints and there are some benches to take rest here on the way too. You can have a look. It is a beautiful place to take rest and have some good pictures and photographs on this point. A beautiful viewpoint at the riverside. Well, on our way, we also had a look at some bus tours on this route. You can also opt for a bus tour and have a look at this route. You can get all the details about the bus tour on their website. I will leave the link to their website in the description below. Now let's check out the next beautiful viewpoint here. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for all the updates of my recent trips @thetravelclever. The last viewpoint was this beautiful waterfall. Just have a look. This viewpoint was so amazing, and we were just soaked in nature with the beautiful sound of water. And have a look at the clean water. It is so amazing. We were just standing here on the bridge looking at the waterfall for some time, and it was a beautiful experience. The sound of water too was very amazing and soothing. So now let me share how I took the cycle tour and from where can you get the cycle rental. Well, you have to book the cycle tour online prior to your visit. This tour starts from a cycle rental shop which is besides the parking lot of the Statue of Unity. They have options for a manual and an electric cycle. Well, I would strongly recommend you to take the electric cycle as it is a 1 hour ride and it will be very easy and convenient for you and enjoy the ride. You can also get a detailed information about the cycle tour on my website travelclever.co.in. So I would recommend you all to take the cycle tour during your visit to Statue of Unity. It is a beautiful experience. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.